Hi ma'am, hi sir. I'm introduce myself. My name is Edna Fortadira, 32 years old. I'm single, high school graduate in Carpasana National High School. My religion, Roman Catholic. My weight, 48 kilos. My height, 5 feet. I have local experience, made in Philippines. Start 2011 to 2018. I have experience for domestic helper in Kuwait. Start 2019 to 2024. My background employer, 6 members, 4 children, elder, 12 years old, second, 9 years old, third, 7 years old, fourth, 4 years old. Thank you so much, madam.